So today I'm going to show you how I made Stolas's hat, and I am excited to show you guys, so without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so we're going to start off with the mask. This is the mask I have. I actually got it from a dollar store called Mighty Dollar, and I thought it would be perfect for Stolas. It has the perfect size and everything. I love the design at the top. So we're going to be taking this and painting it black. Removing the elastic because I've decided I'm not going to really need it anyways. Now I'm going to put some Mod Podge on the mask just to seal the paint in. Okay, so this is how the mask looks after Mod Podge is applied. It makes it look more smooth and just a nicer finish to the mask. So now that we're done with that, we can move on to doing the red part of the eyes. So I found some scrap cardboard pieces that are red, and I thought that was just perfect because they're already red. So I'm going to cut them out just to shape better to the eyes. It doesn't have to be exact because it will overlay like that, but we're gonna do that, bend the cardboard a little, and glue it in place with some hot glue. I decided I want a shade darker, just a little shade darker red, so I am going to go ahead and just paint these and seal it, and then I'm going to attach them with hot glue. Really needed, but I wanted to add extra flair. I have this glitter paint, and if you look closely at it, it has some stars and crescent moons in it, and if you recall, if you know Stolas the demon, he has to do with constellations and like the stars and stuff, so I'm going to be adding that to the eyes. That is how it looks, so I'm done with the mask part and we can move on to the next part. Now with the reference picture I'm going to be using, I am going to sketch out the design of Stolas's crown. I'm just going to cut this out and compare it to the hat to see how everything lays on. Now I got my hat here and I'm just going to lay this on to see how it looks. So as I can see, it's way too big. I need to downsize it to like right here. So that is what I'm going to be doing, is just resketching it. I really like how the template's looking, so now I could cut out my material with this template and start painting it. So I'm using a scrap piece of cardboard for the crown, and it's thin but it's still very thick at the same time. It's very durable, and if you're going to use cardboard yourself, I recommend highly not to use the cardboard that has those weird line ridges, those wavy lines on the side, because it really won't work well, because when you press on it, it distorts the shape, while this will keep its shape. So I'm going to be using this and just cutting my crown out. But I made some hot glue dots for the circles on top of the crown for Stolas, and basically all you do is you hold the hot glue gun and you just keep it in one spot and you keep pressing out glue until it's a big enough circle, and just leave it there and it'll create a perfect circle. Now that my pieces have dried, I'm going to glue them onto the hat just using some E6000, and then I'm going to apply the dots last. While this is drying, I'm just putting a headband around it just to secure it more tightly. I found some of this rope and I thought it would be nice to cover up where the crown meets the hat, so I'm just going to add that all around the hat using some E6000. I'm gonna attach these dots just above the points of the crown, and then I'm going to finally attach the mask over here to the brim of the hat. This is the finished product. I am in love with it. I'm so proud of myself, and I think it turned out very well. It doesn't look exactly like the concept art, but this is my own interpretation of it, and I love it. So now that's only left is to try it out with the wig. So this wig looks bad, but I feel like it's gonna look better with the hat, so we will just try that on. And there we go. It's definitely going to look better with the face paint and the contacts and the rest of the costume, but I am proud of this hat. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe for more, and be on the lookout for my full Stolas cosplay. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. You can find me on Instagram or anywhere else under the name Yami Klaus. I will see you guys next time.